so what we got here is the BMW 1 Series M135i 2014, and what we've done is we've installed the Edge DSP subwoofer, 1200 watt. So as you can see, beautifully installed there. Now this is fully controlled via app, so use your phone and you can control the volume, how much bass you want. You can also customize the frequency response, all in the app, and choose how much bass and how much you want it to play. It's fully customizable. It's all done on the original factory iDrive system. If you want this installed on your BMW, see the link down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel, guys.